How to share contacts from Android to Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are getting a new phone and you want to share or transfer all of the contacts from your Android phone to another new Android phone, what you will have to do is simply go to your contacts application, then tap on this three dot. Now go to share contacts, select all the contact that you want. Now tap on this share button. After that, go to this VCF or vCard file. Now make sure you have turned on Bluetooth in both of the devices, both the new one and your old one as well. After that, what you will have to do is go to Bluetooth and it will search for your available Bluetooth device. All you have to do is simply select your new device and pair the device and send it. That way, your contacts from your old Android phone will be easily transferred to your new Android phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the